Hey, it's Mark back, Noble Notary Signing Service. Real quick one for you today. This is going to be notarizing proof of life forms. So, can you notarize a proof of life from another country? The answer is kind of yes and kind of no. Now, you can't actually notarize a document where you, the notary, are attesting that they're alive, at least not in most states. I think a couple of states, like Louisiana, may allow for it, and I believe that in Florida, a civil law notary, which is basically an attorney, can. But most of the time, you're going to come across forms that, while they are calling it a proof of life, it's not actually a proof of life. It is basically, it's like a jurat or an affidavit. Let me show you some examples. This one, I believe, comes from Finland. So basically what happens is people retire and then they move out of the country that they retired into, like the United States, and they're sending them pension checks. Well, they want to make sure annually that they're still alive, so they're not just sending checks to somebody else. So here's one right here, an applicable life certificate. Basically, this person is themselves affirming that they're alive, and of course, if they're present in front of you with an ID, then they're alive. So it wouldn't really be an issue. And here is another one. This one's Finland. So that one I showed you, I think, was maybe Canada. So Canada has them, Germany has them, Finland has them. So same thing. They are just taking a sworn statement. So you aren't saying that they're alive. They're saying they're alive, and you're notarizing it, in which case there wouldn't really be a problem. So we see a lot of these. I think I see them from Germany a lot. I got a couple repeat customers who come here basically every year to have their quote unquote proof of life notarized. And that's it in a nutshell. Pretty straightforward. Just make sure that you're not saying that they're alive, because you can't do that. You can take a sworn statement from them and they can say whatever they want in that statement. So there you have it. That's the simplified version of it. Proof of life. May get asked to do that. And that's the in and out of it. NNA does have an article here on it, which I don't know that it clarifies that quite like I just did, but they've got an article on it all the same. So, all right, that's it. We'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, and share.